What's up, everybody? Making this video on how to change a starter for a 2017 Ford Fusion SE. I see I replaced the starter already. You can see it right there, brand new crispy from Advanced Auto Parts. It's pretty simple. There's not that many videos out there, but it's pretty simple. It took me about 30 minutes to take it off and put it back in. So here's the process. First, start by disconnecting the battery, 10mm. Then unscrew these 8mm, this one and this one, just to remove it out the way. Get it out the way. You unplug this plug right here. Unplug this one. Boom. Then you got two 8mm right here. 1, 2. Alright? So you take out the air box. Boom. 1, 2. Comes off. Boom. Disconnect it from here. Disconnect this one here. Get it out the way. It's really not much in the way, but get it out the way so you don't be obstructed by anything. Then you remove this plug right here. It's just because they're in the way, you know. Pull the red tab, and then pull the clip. This one as well. This one as well. You know, they're all in the way. And then with some panel puller, you pull this clip right here off. That clip. And then this hose, move it out the way. You can move it around, wiggle it around, and everything. Then once you remove all that, there's a 13mm nut right there, that holds the starter. That's the ground connector right there. There's a ground wire right there. Then under that, there's a 13mm long bolt. It's a bolt nut combo. There's one, and there's one in the bottom. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. After you pull all that out, you pull the starter to about here, and you disconnect the 13mm nut that it has back behind the starter, and a 10mm nut. You can do it right here in the middle. Do it while it's down there. Makes it a lot easier with a long extension. All you gotta do is level the starter back in there, put it back in. Piece of cake. I had a problem with this starter. I got a commercial account at AutoZone, and that starter wasn't an exact fit. So I put it on, didn't do nothing. Put it on, didn't do nothing. So I thought the starter was bad, but it wasn't an exact fit. It was off by like a 1/4 inch, and that was giving me problems. But there it is. Advanced Auto Parts got it, exact fit. Or you could do Ford. Ford, it's a little bit pricier, but it's brand new. This is a rebuilt unit. All right, guys, have a good one. Hope this helps.